So hello everyone, welcome to you in I0 channel, and here we again present to you a linked list question, or you can say an operation to reverse the linked list. So how can we do this, and what is the algorithm behind this? We will try to understand the concept. So in order to understand the question, I have given you this algorithm, or you can say the code snippet for the reversing the linked list by using reverse the links without using additional array or something that we have used in our earlier videos. So if you have not uh, watched my earlier video in which I have show you how to reverse the linked list by using an additional amount of space, that is using an array, so you can just go there and watch that video. I will just comment it down, and also you can find it in our description page. So this is the code for reversing the linked list by reversing the links. So first we will try to understand the concept behind this. So here we have taken three pointers, that is P, Q and R. So what are these three pointers, and how we can use these three pointers to reverse the linked list, we will see. So first of all, you can see here that we have taken P as first, that is the first node, and Q as null, and until we encounter null, we will just move this, uh, execute these statements or instructions. So what we are doing, we are just assigning Q. So here you can see we are assigning Q to R and P to Q. Like you can see, say that we have three pointers P, Q and R. We are just assigning this to this and this to this. Okay, and we are incrementing this P. Okay, and now you can see at the end we just assign the Q's next, that is Q, that was pointing earlier to uh, some OR node, some other, this Q's next to R. Okay, so only these four things we have to do, and we are done to reverse the our linked list. So you might have confusion, so let's visualize this concept. Okay, so let's say we have these four nodes. Here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 as data, and here we have the links and null. Now you can see it is a singly linked list, and here at the end of this 4 there is a null. Now in order to reverse this linked list, we must have to reverse their links like this. So how can we do this? We will just take P, Q and R. Initially P will be here, Q somewhere here and R somewhere here. Why? Because we have initialized Q and R as null, so they are null. Now we will move P. So we will move P and we will assign P to Q, that is Q will be the first node and R will get Q. So R, Q was initially null, so it will assign null, so it will remain in this state. Now we will increment P, and now Q will get the position of P and R will get the position of Q. So here you can see R is now at first, Q is now at second, and P is now at 3. So at the fourth statement that we have written, Q will get the address of R. So Q's link will be this. So that means this node will point 1 now. The same thing repeat itself Let me clear all this. Now the same thing repeats itself. Now P will be here, Q will be here, and R will be here. Now key will assign this, so this will get the location this. Now P will be here. Now it will be null. Why? Because after moving forward from 4, it will get assigned P, null. Loop gets stop at that point. Now key will be here, R will be here. Now Q will point R. So this. Now you can see we have reversed our linked list by using this algorithm. So if you have not understood how we done this, so you again can see the code, and now you can visualize why we have done this. Because after reversing all the links, we must have to point the first node, which one is the first node. So we will assign Q as the first node. So still you have some doubt, then you can just comment it down. I will try to answer.